In this video, I'm going to tell you about an exciting opportunity where you can have a chance to win $50,000 worth of crypto. Make sure you listen all the way through to the end. Bitcoin has had 3 halvings, and we know what's happened after the first 2 halvings. About a year or so later, the price reaches all-time highs. Here you can see the halving here, all-time high a year or so later. Halving here, all-time high a year or so later. This chart's a little bit out of date, but we had a halving here, and fingers crossed there will be an all-time high come around about May 2021 or sometime next year. Now, wouldn't it have been great to got into a Bitcoin here or here when it was so much cheaper or before any halving? You know, Bitcoin revolutionized value exchange. Decentralized, censorship resistant, pseudo-anonymous, send money to anyone in the world in a matter of minutes, out of the control of central governments or central banks or the banking system. But Bitcoin is just a value exchange. Later on, there came Ethereum. Now, Ethereum allowed for applications to be built on top of the blockchain. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a new under-the-radar cryptocurrency that I've been covering for 2 years that's having a halving. And it does so much more than Bitcoin does, and it does so much more than Ethereum does, and people don't know about it yet. If you want to know which cryptocurrencies or altcoins to invest in for long-term, medium-term, or short-term, or to trade in, then take a look at Tokenmetrics. Tokenmetrics uses artificial intelligence-based crypto indices, rankings, and price predictions to give you the best possible altcoins and cryptocurrencies to hodl or trade with. Use my affiliate code for a massive 10% off and 3 months free on the yearly plan. Link in the description below. Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. What should you do? You should subscribe. That's what you should do. If you're watching this on YouTube, come over to BitTube. You can also find me on Library and also on BitChute. Whatever you do, whichever platform you're on, please subscribe, comment, like, even if your comment is hello, or your comment is I don't know what comment to leave. All of that makes a difference to me because then I know you're there, and it helps me fight the shadow ban on YouTube. And please do share my work. Let people know. Tell your friends and family, help me fight this shadow ban. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, and join my official Telegram announcements channel, and I'll have the link to that in the description below. So the project that I'm going to be talking about is Varus Coin. Now, Varus Coin have a reward halving, which is expected to happen on November the 22nd at around about noon or just after noon. You know, it might change here and there an hour or so or something, but generally November the 22nd. So you've still got time to go and get yourself some Varus. If you want to get some Varus Coin, you can get it from SafeTrade, Stex, Atomic Dex, GraviX, and Whitebit. So just to let you know, this Saturday, November the 14th, there is a Varus Jamboree, and that's happening at 5 p.m. UK time, 5 p.m. UTC, noon EST, and 6 p.m. CET. And there, it's just going to have an online fun festival over Discord, talking about Varus, learning about Varus, and there's also a scavenger hunt, whatever that may be. Now, Varus has some unbelievable, amazing technology. One of the things it allows you to do is to create self-sovereign IDs. What that means is I can create IDs that allow me to keep my crypto assets safe and secure. My Varus Coin assets, my Komodo assets, and shortly my Bitcoin and ETH and Ethereum assets, just by using a simple Varus ID, which belongs to me only. I can also have recoverable IDs and revocable IDs. And if you want to know more about that, check out this video. Varus Coin doesn't just have smart contracts, it has smart transactions. So the programmable features that you have, say, with Ethereum are at the level of transaction with Varus Coin. There's so much more to this project, including soon to come the ability to launch your own tokens, and something that's been in place for ages and ages and ages is the ability to mine and stake on a CPU, which is what I've been doing for some time now. What that does is it decentralizes the whole blockchain. This is a very, very decentralized project. There's no company behind it, no corporation. It's a decentralized, community-led blockchain project with a fair launch, no dev fund, and no pre-mine. It is a 50% proof of work coin with 50% proof of stake. It uses a brand new mining and staking algorithm that is ASIC resistant and gives no advantages to GPU or FPGA mining. So that means it can be mined very, very easily on a CPU, and it can also be mined on a mobile. And because it's 50% staking, you can do what I do and stake it on a spare laptop. Now, the rewards currently are 24 VRSC per block, and they're going to go down to 12 on November the 22nd. Now, are we going to have the kind of ridiculous price jumps that are shown on this logarithmic scale that's happened with Bitcoin? Are we going to have those happen with Varus Coin? Now, in my personal opinion, not professional advice, I think so, yes, because there's more and more growing interest in cryptocurrencies, and there's more and more growing interest in this particular cryptocurrency. So this is the weekly price chart of Varus Coin. It goes back to November 2018, and it had an all-time low in March of this year of 2.6 cents and an all-time high over 55 cents in October 2020, but the bears pushed it back down. But that could be a taste of things to come, because if you look at these spikes here as well, you had one here in June 2019 where it went to a high of 38.5 cents. Well, it's now hovering around about that. And this is a bullish pattern because we've got this long-term uptrend and this triangle forming below, and it's getting tighter and tighter as we come near the halving. And what I've noticed with Bitcoin, and you may have as well, is that after the halving, once the price breaks out, it never goes back to where it was before. So the all-time high prior to the 2016 halving, Bitcoin was about just over $1,000. And then after the 2016 halving, it just touched $20,000. Now, it did go back down, but the lowest it got to was $3,200, which is significantly higher than the $1,000 that it touched in 2013. And if you look here, there's an increasing buildup of interest. You can see here greater volumes being traded, which I think represents more and more interest being played in this. And it's still on testnet. It's going to be launched on mainnet soon. We don't have a date, but it is being worked on. And the stuff that's on mainnet could potentially make centralized exchanges redundant and could potentially make decentralized exchanges redundant, because you'll be able to move from one currency to another cross-chain just on the Varus blockchain, which is completely decentralized. You wouldn't need to go to a centralized exchange or a decentralized application like Atomic Dex or Uniswap. You could do it all on the Varus blockchain. Now, that's just one of the exciting features available on Varus. Want to know how to get a piece of the $50,000 prize that's going? Listen up now. By the time this video goes out, Varus will have listed on a top-tier cryptocurrency exchange, BitHub Global and BitHub Pro. And as part of the launch, you can trade, buy, and stake and win a share of a pot of 140,000 Varus coin. I'll have the full details in the link in the description below.
Join the Varus community for Q&A sessions with BitThumb Global Exchange. Earn giveaways while learning about the groundbreaking solutions of this truly free, open-source blockchain protocol designed for privacy, safety, open participation, and unlimited scalability. Mark your calendar for November 12th at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 a.m. UTC, 9 a.m. CET, and head to BitThumb's Telegram channel to participate. t.me/BitThumbGlobal_EN. And join us on the Varus Discord at varus.io/Discord, where we share the developments of a rent-free blockchain economy that can scale to the world. Can't wait to see you there!
If you want to know more about it, go join the Telegram group, go join the Discord group, check out the white paper, do your own due diligence, and between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye. Varus will have listed on a top-tier cryptocurrency exchange, BitHub BitHub Global